Well, syempre it's really hard to lose those two guys. They are playing on borrowed time because of the rules, and it just feels bad that we get to lose them in this battle. But as a reminder to everyone, the only way we could have them back is if we're gonna make it all the way. And hopefully by God's grace, they'll be okay by the time. So that's always been the call of the team. We're doing this not just only for ourselves as individuals, but also for those two players that we've lost. And again, I also want to just talk about, I know it's already late, but with regards to, me and Kian had a talk yesterday, and he felt sorry that Vuelo has to lose 3 games. And the coach and competitor in need obviously deserves to get suspended. But the father in me is pardoning the committee to kind of lower the games, because he's not really a bad player. Those opportunities or those incidents really happen. And sana mabigyan pa siya ng chance na makabalik pa, because 3 games is gonna be huge for him. I'm not talking about UE as a team, but Vuelo as a person, because he's a nice kid, and I hope that he'll be given a chance. I know he made this mistake, and I hope he'll be given a chance to lessen yung suspension, because I know how hard is it gonna be for him.